Every second of the day, millions of Americans type questions and ideas into search engines. It sounds simple, but these queries, when collected and analysed, reveal a fascinating story. Welcome to the world of Google Trends, a powerful tool that shines a light on our collective curiosity. When we dive into Google Trends data, we see more than just numbers. Each trending search term represents a story, a question, an interest that captivated the nation at a specific moment. Cultural shifts and real-time events leave immediate fingerprints on search trends. For example, imagine a popular new movie trailer just dropped. You might notice the search interest for the film soaring within hours. Similarly, during elections or breaking news, Americans turn to Google to get answers. In this scene, we'll explore how search trends reflect what Americans care about right now. From the latest trends in entertainment to sudden spikes in news-related queries, the top researchers paint a dynamic picture of our national mood. Let's take a closer look at the top trending searches and see how these clues fit together to tell America's story. America's search habits cover a vast spectrum, from Hollywood buzz to Capitol Hill debates. On the entertainment side, fans flock to search for the latest movie releases, chart-topping music, and popular streaming shows. Imagine a breakout hit series or a blockbuster film catching fire on social media. The moment trailers, teasers, or news drop, search interest soars. Every award show nominee list, viral dance challenge, or celebrity news story can spark trending search activity. In this scene, we shine a lighter side of trends, from trending pop culture moments to fan-favourite TVA series. But search trends don't stop at entertainment. Americans are equally curious about politics and current events. Election cycles often dominate search charts. During debates or election nights, topics like candidate names, key issues, and polling data send search volumes surging. Major political happenings, a Supreme Court ruling, an international summit, or a high-profile policy announcement quickly appear as top searches. By analysing the most searched news events, we can see which stories truly captured public attention. From breaking news to trending headlines, these data tell us what Americans are reading and talking about. In today's interconnected world, one viral post can spark a nationwide search frenzy. Social media platforms like Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram have supercharged the spread of information and trends. When a hashtag goes viral or an internet challenge catches on, millions of users quickly follow suit in curiosity. For example, a trending hashtag like #Oscars or #MeToo can send search queries soaring as people seek context and updates. Every tweet or TikTok video has the potential to influence search behaviour. When fans see a celebrity live tweeting an event or an influencer launching a new challenge, the curiosity spreads from feed to search. Internet challenges and memes have a similar effect. Remember the Ice Bucket Challenge or the Harlem Shake craze? These viral moments didn't just flood our feeds, they also flooded search bars across the country. When videos of a new dance or a humorous meme go viral, countless viewers hit Google to learn more or even join the trend. Little by little, these online movements leave visible traces in search data. Social signals and search trends feed each other. Trending hashtags create spikes on Google, and search results often highlight these viral stories. In this scene, we'll uncover the power of the people, how grassroots online movements and viral hashtags directly influence what Americans are searching for. Not all the searches fit under big news headlines. Google Trends reveals a rich tapestry of niche interests and regional quirks. Beyond the national news cycle, Americans have unique questions and hobbies that surface in search data. In this scene, we explore those hidden corners, the surprising and unexpected searches that reveal what people really care about. For example, while the whole country might buzz about a big sports final, a small town might see a spike in search of the local high school game or a county fair schedule. Local festivals, niche hobbies, and regional events all leave their mark on search trends. Maybe a new craft beer is trending in the Midwest, or queries about cooking recipes surge in one region after a food festival. Even weather patterns can differ. Searches for snowstorm might rise in the northeast, while wildfire updates trend on the west coast. In this way, Google Trends maps the diverse interests of different communities across America. We'll also highlight some odd or unexpected trends. Some search spikes are fun or strange. Perhaps a forgotten 80s band suddenly plays at a reunion concert, or an internet meme from another country catches on regionally. These quirky discoveries remind us that America's interests are broad and often surprising. Let's peek behind the headlines to see the fascinating offbeat queries that made this week's top searches. We've travelled from Hollywood to the Hill, from the quirky to the mainstream. Now, what does all this tell us about America? Every search trend we've explored is a data point in the broader story of our culture and concerns. In the past scenes, we saw how entertainment and politics dominate searches, how social media amplifies collective curiosity, and how even the smallest towns contribute unexpected interests. Together, these insights form a mosaic of the American mind. At the end of the day, Google Trends is more than just graphs. It's a mirror of society. It shows us what Americans care about at this moment in time. The spikes and patterns reveal collective hopes, fears, and passions. From surging searches for healthcare information to viral music videos, from local weather alerts to national headlines, all these trends say something about who we are. These insights have real implications. Companies use them to serve us better products. News outlets follow them to focus on their coverage, and policymakers can even gauge public interest on important issues. What will you search for next? We invite you to think about your own trending queries and share your thoughts. Does this reflect our national pulse? What surprises you? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for exploring America's curiosity with us. Stay curious and see you in the next search.